This is the most important day in not only the history of our party, but we believe also for this electoral cycle, the 2022 presidential election is a game-changing day because the largest party in our country, the United Democratic Alliance, is going to unveil its presidential candidate, whom we believe is the next president of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samuel Ruto. We expect quite a number of people. We have tried as much as possible to be representative countrywide, and we have sent invitations to about more than 5,000 delegates who will constitute the National Delegates Conference. However, we expect other members of the party might just troop in, but because of space and also for legal reasons, we could not have invited all UDA members because the National Delegates Conference is a legal entity under the UDA Constitution. So we cannot have everybody. We'll have 5 members delegates, 5,000 delegates from every county, every part of this country, and I dare say from every ward and every constituency in our republic. We expect our partners, party leaders from partner parties to be present as our guests, because our party leader has also been a guest in some of the events. So we expect the leader of the ANC party, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi. We expect the leader of the Kenya party, the Honorable Martha Karua. We have other invited guests, other party leaders who will show up. We will not give you the names right now. And beyond that, I don't think we can tell you more.